What up, Buttercups? Today's video is one that I am extremely excited about. I have never had this happen before, but we're going to do an unboxing. So, if that's something that interests you, stick around. We're going to talk about it. Welcome to Sophisticated Country, where we talk about makeup for mature skin and all of those wonderful things that happen to us as we age. My name's Clara. Welcome to the channel. So today we are doing an unboxing video for a package that I have received from Sigma Beauty. They were gracious enough to send me some product to try out and to kind of test out and see if I liked it. And I am extremely excited about bringing this to you. I have never had this happen to me before, and I must say thank you so much, Sigma, for you thinking of me and sending me this amazing package. I cannot wait to open it and see what's inside. So, here we go. Maybe. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, Sigma, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So, oh my gosh. It is like completely full. It's a heavy package, it's completely full. They've actually wrapped it beautifully. It's very classy wrapping. So the first thing that I see on top is a Sigma Small Express Brush Cleaning Mat. I need one of these so bad because I'm using my bar of soap trying to clean my brushes and it's not working well. So there's the first item. Oh my. So Sigma brushes, I have heard wonderful things about Sigma brushes, and I cannot honestly, I know you guys are gonna get sick of hearing me say, I'm so excited, but I'm so excited. These brushes, I hear these brushes are absolutely amazing, and I have a lot of them, and I'm just in awe of this situation here. I'm trying to get them all out of here for you so that you can see all of the brushes that I have. Wow, just wow. So I'm gonna go through each one of them and I'm gonna show you what they are. But wow. So the first one I see is a Sigma F29, and this is an HD, this is a bronzing brush, I believe. So my daughter is sitting here with me and she won't allow me to put her on camera, but if you hear us in the background, you'll know why. She's in here with me. She was as excited as I was about this package. So anyway, without further ado, these, I mean, it is so soft and it's a heavy brush. Very nice quality. I have been on the hunt for brushes like you would not believe. And I can't wait to use these. That's gonna be another video. So that was the bronzing brush. This is an F80 flat kabuki, and it is for blending liquid and cream products onto the skin. The quality, they're stunning. As you can tell, they match my aesthetic. But it's a nice, still soft, but nice and dense. This is an F79. It's a concealer blend kabuki, and it is to stipple on concealer, color correcting formulas. I have needed one of these for so long. I've been using the wrong brush to do the job. I mean, it's gotten the job done, but I know that there are far better vessels to use than what I've been using. And this is an F47 multitasker. It's a foundation, blush, or contour brush. Nice. You guys honestly have no idea how happy I was that they reached out to me and asked if they could send me some product. I have been looking at Sigma for a while. I have heard that their brushes are like top notch, and I was saving up my pennies to get them, and I'm just so thankful that they opted to be very gracious and send me an entire box of goodies. This is an F53 Air Contour Blush Brush, and its function is to sweep on blush or bronzer. And they're just so soft. Very nice quality. They're a nice, heavy, sturdy brush. They've got the, what they are on the side. It tells you the number, and it also tells you what they do. So that's pretty cool too. And guys, this is just the brushes that they sent these to me, to me. This one is an E15. It's a flat definer, and it is for color. Girls, you know I don't have my glasses on. I should have them on for this, but I don't. It is to apply color along the lash line. And this is an E54. It's a medium sweeper. So in my excitement, I didn't realize that each one of these brushes has a pull tab. My daughter just told me that. So I've been looking like a fool trying to pull these out, and I couldn't get them out. And look, it says right there, pull here, pull here, pull here. Anyway, so this is an E54, like I said. Its function is to achieve controlled lid application for your eyeshadow. This one is an E42. It's a precision firm blender, and the function is to pack and blend colors into the crease. Oh, look at there, the pull tab work. You see that? When you read directions, this is what happens. Comes out correctly. But this is the brush for the crease. Definitely need a brush that will get right into the crease where I need it to perfect those looks. And this is, again, is an E42. Winner chicken dinner for me. Telling you right now. And like I said, each one of them, they tell you exactly what it is that they're doing or what they're used for, and the numbers. And it looks like on the packages, it states that they have a free 2-year warranty on all of their brushes. I don't know if you can see that, but that is absolutely amazing also. All right, and that's it for our brushes. That's just the brushes, friends. Just the brushes that they sent. Also sent me, I just can't get over it, guys. I mean, I really can't. There are so many packages here that I don't even know what's in them. I do know what this is, but yeah. I mean, I'm at a loss. Sigma, I just cannot tell you thank you enough. I cannot wait to bring you guys a video with all of these products, to be able to use all of these products. This is Sigma New Mod. It's an eyeshadow palette. And it is, here are the colors on the back. Let me open this beautiful baby up. Oh. Sigma. Now, I don't know if you guys can actually see this palette, but it is like velvet. It is absolutely beautiful. It's, I mean, it's beautiful. And the colors are stunning. Not gonna lie, this is a beautiful palette. It actually has a dual-ended brush that comes with it to apply. And these are the colors. They are beautiful. And these are literally like my jam, you guys. You know that these are my jam. I love this color palette. Cannot wait to use these. Wow. I'm gonna put it back in the box because I don't want to ruin anything until I use them. They have sent me a Sigma Spectrum Color Correcting Duo, light to medium. I'm gonna open that up for you so you can see that. The packaging is just, it's stunning. It's very pretty, very classy packaging. I'm gonna pop this open. And there are the colors. I'm excited to try this because I am trying to minimize my the amount of product that I am putting on my eyes, and the color correctors seem to be like perfect because it gives you what you need without using a heavy concealer, and I like that a lot. This is the Sigma Cream Blush, and it's Pashmina. Again, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. They're all just really pretty packaging. And there's the blush color. I have minimal blushes, so I'm really excited to try this out too. They have expanded my collection. And this one, mystery box. Oh, it's a matte bronzer in the shade medium. Oh, I don't know if you can see that color. So this is shade medium. I love the Sigma stamp on there. And next mystery box. Oh, okay, so these, our mystery boxes are matte bronzers in different colors. This is the light. And this is the third box. Oh. This is a highlighter. And it's it's called Sizzle. I know I keep saying it, but I can't get over the packaging. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. And there is the highlighter. I'm telling you guys, I'm in awe right now. And I have a lip cream, and it's in the shade Begonia. That's beautiful. And I mean, it's almost like they knew what color to send me because they're all like my favorites. Oh, and it has a very large doe foot applicator. And I wish I didn't have lipstick on because I would totally try it out. But we're gonna do that too for another day. But there's the color. Oh, very pretty. Very, very pretty. And it's not a lipstick, it's like a gloss that's got some shimmer and some color to it, so I'm anxious to try that out. All right, and I have an eyeliner pencil, and I believe that this is it's called Wicked. There's a pencil. Glides on super easy. All right, and this is the brush shampoo foam for the brushes. It's formulated with all natural ingredients, and it is the brush cleaner for these beautiful brushes. And we have an instant shade remover, so that is awesome. So when you are doing your makeup looks, you can switch. If you want to use the same brush, you can actually clean off the color that you're using and switch over to another color. You just run your brush on these little rubber bristles and it takes all of the old color off, and then you can use one brush for the same makeup look. That is the end of our box. I cannot believe truly that I just can't believe that they sent all this amazing stuff. I cannot wait to test it out on a makeup look. That will be within the next couple of days, so I can't wait to bring that to you. And I'm going to try out all the products, and I'm going to try the brushes, and I'm going to let you know just what I think of Sigma's products. And yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys that unboxing because I was very, very excited about this. First time ever, and I do appreciate Sigma's generosity. And I just want to thanks Sigma. Thanks a lot. This is amazing. It's like Christmas. And you know what? My birthday is in a week, and this is like an early birthday present. So I'm just like, I'm stoked. So if you want to check out any of these products, go to Sigma, and they have an entire selection. I mean, this is just a fraction of the stuff that they have. And if you would, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that we can talk about makeup and goodies all the time. That would be amazing. I do appreciate you hanging out with me till the end. And yeah, it helps me out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. So I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have tried Sigma. Let me know if what your thoughts on Sigma are. I have not tried them, so I am very, very excited about trying out all of these wonderful products. But yeah, guys, go check Sigma out. Go check Sigma out. But all right, guys, until next time, I do appreciate you watching till the end, and thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.